Hello.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Can I get your full attention please?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you still have a lot of energy to keep the training going. So to warm up a bit, no, it's not a warm up anymore. To kick your brain a bit, I would like to have a small game for you. I need 4 volunteer persons. I need 4 volunteers. Fadil, please. Jaya. Amit.
Yeah.
Yes, please. And Marshall, of course. Thank you. Please get it here. Okay. And I have this one in my hands. It's a whole pile of mess. Yeah. I will pour it out like this. Okay. And I need you all in 3 minutes to complete it. And this is what I aim to help you to get after the course. If you see the result in advance, if you expect the outcome in advance, so it will make your work easier and faster. So welcome to the time management course here today. My name is Nana. I've been working for Deheus for 8 years, and I'm currently the management assistant to the CEO of Asia. I have 4 years experience in marriage and 2.5 years experience as a mom. Okay, and I would like to share some of the values that I will bring to you after this course today. So the first one is to be the mastery of time in your work. And the second one is to set up a smart goal and also to design a time management matrix. And the third one is how to handle the common situations for time management at work. So how many values do we have today?
3.
Again, please.
3.
Louder, please.
3.
That's it. 3, right? But do you remember all 3? Okay. Can I ask someone else? Fadil, what is the first one?
First one, mastery of the time management skill.
You're the master. How about you, Doris? What is smart goal? And yes, that's one. Okay, Jay, how about you, the third one? Okay, very good. And okay, so let's start. Sorry. Okay, and before jumping into the training course, I would like to create a successful training. So I will make an agreement with you all of what should be done and what should not be done during the class. So okay. Okay, Teddy, what do you think you should do in the class? Okay, that's great. How about you, Mita? Okay, Emmett?
We should stay interacted with the trainer.
Yes, that's correct. And what should not we do? Sleep work.
Should not use the mobile phone call.
That's it. Tyler, what should not we do?
Should not use the laptop.
I think we are all clear on this, right? So please hold your phone in your hand. Please, everyone, phone in your hand. Turn on the phone into silent mode, please. Silent mode, please. Yeah? Are we clear?
Yes.
Great. Very good. Let's start. Okay, we already go through this. No. We have the wrong one. Sorry. I think we have the wrong presentation, but it's okay. It's okay. It's just about text, so I don't need this anymore. Well, for now, I would like you to split into 2 smaller groups. This group counting from Beatrice to Fadil, and the other group from Dave to Doris.
Okay.
Okay. You have 5 minutes. 5 minutes to list down 3 SMART goals that you think that would help you to manage your time better at work. 3, okay? So, how many time do we have?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
And how many goals do we need?
3.
How many goals?
3.
How many?
3.
Are you all clear?
Yes.
How many? In?
3.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Time's up. Okay, thank you for your discussion. And I would like to ask from group 1, number 1. So please tell me what SMART goal that you think that can help you manage your time better. Goal. Your SMART goal to manage your time.
Preparing the schedule.
I'm sorry.
Preparing the schedule.
Preparing the schedule in the front, right? Right. And how about utility? To-do list. Okay. Have a to-do list. And Tyler, what do you think is a SMART goal?
I think we have to eliminate time-wasting tasks.
Time wasting task.
Yes.
For example.
Like social media, procrastination, because I don't think that social media is bad. It will be useful.
Yeah.
But you need to like not spend too much time on social media. Just a bit and to last after a day.
That's nice. Which is also a warning for people who usually use Facebook YouTube.
Yeah.
How about you, Emmett?
Yeah, we need to prioritize our tasks.
I'm sorry.
So we need to prioritize our tasks.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of tasks every day and in the time.
Yeah.
We need to prioritize what to do
Yes.
and then put timelines by when they can be completed.
Yeah, that's correct. How about you? SMART goal.
I think it's more the good that you plan for a task
Yeah.
or not a task.
Yeah.
Like and go for task when we set up on my schedule.
Yeah.
I can achieve it today or tomorrow or not.
Have you ever said no to your boss?
Yes.
Okay. If
When
necessary,
I know
right?
that I can achieve it within time. I have to respond. I have to told him that I cannot meet that deadline.
Okay. Okay. How about you, Doris? What do you think of SMART goal?
I block my time before the other book my time.
Yeah. Okay. So you just afraid of they want to have meeting with you that affects your agenda of working on your own tasks. Yeah, is that correct? Okay. How about you, Mita?
I will create a daily schedule every day,
Okay.
the week before.
Okay. Okay. Very good. And yes, let me summarize a bit of some SMART goals that we usually think of when we want to manage our time. Okay, so the first one, we will need to prioritize it. The task. We need to prioritize our task. We need to put it on the schedule in the order of their importance. So which one is more important? You will do it first, and then it's going down into the order of importance. It's the most urgent thing. You should do it first. So this is how we call prioritizing task, right? Okay. So the second one, that's what Tyler said, right? Eliminate the time-wasting tasks that you be on social media. You use your phone to chit-chat a lot, and also focus on the interruption, unexpected interruption. Like your boss call you, hey, I want you to do this, do that, Okay, I will do it right away. But in fact, it's not that urgent. It's not that important to do right away. You need to consider, you need to think before doing a task, a request from your boss or your colleagues, right? You need to consider, should I do it now? Or I can block another time to do it. So, eliminating the time-wasting task, right? Eliminating. Okay, and the third one is very important to have, planning ahead. You should plan ahead your schedule. As my manager once he once told me, you need to plan ahead, otherwise you will get stuck in the whole mess of my request. Because his agenda is a huge mess. Like he's a super busy guy, and if I don't plan ahead for the whole agenda, I'll die. That's the problem. So you need to plan ahead and for all the essential tasks, and also you need to block the time for the unexpected interruptions because it will come anyway, right? When during the day you never know what will happen and what people will ask you to do. So I think the best solution is to block the time for it in advance so you foresee that it will come, right? Okay. So this is planning ahead, right? Okay, so everyone, please help me to repeat again and explain again the three SMART goals that help you to manage your time.
Yeah.
Okay, the first one.
Right.
Sorry. How do you prioritize your tasks?
Manage the largest.
Okay, in order of the importance, right? The more important you do it first, right? And Jaya, what is the second one? It wastes your time. Yeah. Dave, how about the third one?
Yeah, it is like planning ahead, have a to-do list, have the to-do list based on the importance and the urgency, and then we plan our future course maybe tomorrow or a month ahead.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are aware of these three SMART goals, but how? How to easily remember. How to easily remember, and then when you want to apply it in your real work, and you can think of it right away. Okay, let me show you. Prioritizing. P, right? It's the first letter. P. Eliminated. E, right? Okay. Planning ahead. Another E. So, what is that? PEP, right?
Yeah.
PEP. Okay, everyone, let's PEP together. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Aloud. What should we do? Again. Okay, PEP, right? Let's PEP together. PEP. Yeah? Okay,
Yes.
that's great. And I hope you all understand my sharing. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. Anyone? Anyone? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I meant this.
So how we can plan ahead? How to do that?
How to plan ahead? Okay. You do know what you do every day, right?
Yeah.
Do you see it coming? Okay, you will know that today you have a meeting with a customer. Today you will have a call with the boss and also blah 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 blah, all kinds of things. So can you block it on your agenda?
Yes.
Do you use your Outlook agenda?
Yeah.
That's the one. It's a very useful tool. I use it. Even you can block it for family time. You can put it straight on the Outlook, like time to pick up your girls, time to spend with family, time to talk to your wife. Even for just small tasks like that, you should block on your calendar. And what you should do next, follow the timeline. you should block it and follow the timeline. You just don't think that I'm gonna do this at this time, I'm gonna do this. And after that, if any urgent thing coming up, you forget it right away, right? Block it on your Outlook calendar or any calendar you have. I mean, the most useful for you. Right? Are you clear about it?
Yes.
Any question else?
No. No.
Any question else?
No.
Okay, so I will ask you to see what you have learned today, right? Jake, among these three, what do you think that which one do you think that you have applied already in your work? Prioritize. Okay. Have you followed it very tightly? Yeah? Okay, that's good. Okay, that's right. And Jaya, have you ever struggled managing your time?
For now, after I learned this,
Yeah.
maybe no.
Okay, so I hope these SMART goals will help you to work easily in your daily job, and also to help you manage your time, not only for work but also your personal time. How to balance between work and personal time, family time. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for your attendance and for your attention.